And you said I should do what?
Plait my hair.
Which style? Tell me the style now. You are explaining to me.
Let's plait pack 1.
Pack 1. How?
It's big. And do coiling.
I should do coiling.
Coiling.
Which side?
Here and here.
Coiling here and here.
And bow.
I should add what?
Bow.
Bowl.
Bow.
What is bow?
You don't know bow?
I don't know.
Bow is circle.
Circle. On the hair.
No. First circle.
Where will I add this circle?
Then not this.
Add what now? No, explain what I'm adding to your hair now. I don't understand.
I add shiny bow. You don't know bow.
I don't know bow. Please, who knows
Let
bow?
me draw bow.
Please, do you know bow? Anybody that knows bow, come to my rescue. I don't know bow. Which one is bow?
Let me draw it now. Let me draw the bow.
You want to draw it?
Let me show you what you draw it.
Oh, bow on the hair. You say what happened? You say your classmate did what? They used to call you what? Mini chin chin. Why are they calling you mini chin chin now? You don't report them. Auntie, now have one thing. Next time you tell your teacher. Yeah, so they call you mini. What do you call them? You? What do you call them? Come and tell me.
I like to call them letter V. I like to call them
Letter V. Why are you calling them letter V?
Because they're A, B, C, D.
Can you still call the person letter V? And the other one? What do you call him?
It's only one person.
Because only one person I used to call you mini chin chin. Chai. And you used to call the person what?
Letter V.
Letter V? Oh, Chineke. Letter V? Who taught you that one? Who taught you that one now, Mama? What was the other one that she said she used to call?
Ohasu.
And the other one, what do you call him? You call the other one what?
Ohasu.
Ohasu. Chineke. Why are you calling him Ohasu?
Because her name is Olale.
Okay, her name is Ohale. You're not calling her Ohasu. Chineke. Hey, Chagozebo.
I'll call the dogs.
Eh?
Rope.
Chineke, in a choco.
The black one.
Your teacher catch you, she will flog you people. Oh.
Bed.
Come here. You're a good girl. Drink. Don't vomit too. Drink vomit. Vomit, you're not a good girl. Yeah? Good girl. How many should we count? Look how many. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good girl. You vomit. If you vomit, I'll get injection. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, go! Super girl. Asa. Good girl. Asa. You're good kid. Yes. Hey, this should have done the top. Yeah? This should have done the top reach me. I can never talk that. It's already too late. It won't make sense. Where am I going into? Mama.
Yeah, blocking our face.